Hi, welcome. You're now watching the Factory In-House Live Show of 2021 TaipeiPLAS ShoeTech Taipei. I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event as online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face in physical trade show, don't worry, I'm going to bring you to visit our exhibitor's factory in Taiwan through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box in words. We will answer them in Q&A section. Today, let me bring you to TiENKANG, which is located in Taichung, the middle part of Taiwan. TiENKANG is the expert of shoe making machine. Now let's welcome Eric, the regional sales manager, to join us. Hello, Eric. Now let's follow Eric to visit the factory and the latest machine. Let's go.
Hello, everyone. So this is Will Huang from TiENKANG. So now let me introduce to you TiENKANG's single color EVA molding injection molding machine. So TiENKANG started the EVA machine innovation since 1999. And TiENKANG, we have a technical cooperation with an Italian company, WinTech, for EVA injection molding development. And we officially launched this kind of new technical independent cylinder clamping system in 2002. And in only 3 years, we sold over 800 sets of injection EVA machines into the market. Until now, we received the global approval from many international brands such as Nike, Adidas, and we accomplished the total sales number, 5,000 sets of injection EVA machines into the global market. So now let's have a look about this 4-station EVA injection molding machine. So each station are with 2 independent mold clamping devices. So the platen size of the machine is 330 × 600, and each machine equipped with 2 injectors on the back of the side. So now you can just see the operator start out the machine from station to station. So we can focus now on the machines at this station. So TiENKANG's machine, we really focus on the safety of each station. For example, we have a safety fence on the bottom for this fence, and we also have the hook for the middle plate locking device. So we keep all the machine in a very safe condition, and in this injection molding machine, you can see that we are also designed it in the toggle system, so we can make sure that all the machines can be opened in a very fast condition. So this is the 4-station machine, and we are going to show you about how the machine works. So now the machine will open station by station. So here you will see, let's focus on this station. So the machine can open very fast, and we also equip LED on the both sides of the machine to make it light during the production. And also on the back side, you can see the injection moving and station by station. So now let's focus on here. So in this station, you can see the real production about the shoe. So TiENKANG's EVA injection molding machine can provide a lot of products such as the slippers for EVA, and also some EVA outsole and some other EVA products. So in EVA injection molding machine, you can produce a lot of different types of products. So you can, if you have any questions of TiENKANG's EVA injection molding machine, you can contact us at the Q&A process.
Hi, welcome back. I would like to welcome everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in the chat box. Welcome to joining us. And we have one question from Rajkumar. Mr. Rajkumar would like to know, hi, Eric, how many pairs can EVA injection molding machine produce per day? Please, Eric.
Actually, for EVA machine, we have the several types. For example, we have the four stations, 6 stations, 8 stations, and 10 stations. But for the productivity, it will depend on the curing time. So normally, if you are just a beginning, we will suggest you to follow at least 6 stations for the beginning. And for this station, for example, if 22 hours 3 shift, it can be 500 pairs per day to produce. So this is normal. We will suggest our customer to follow it. So if you ask me about the productivity, okay, 6 stations can be 5,000 pairs per day.
Thank you, Eric. And Mr. Raj Kumar would like to know the second question, which is, will the machine consume a lot of power?
Actually, because this is the sole injection, and for example, for the EVA machine is around 25 tons. So actually, this is a big machine and also a heavy one. But right now, you ask about the power consumption. Right now, because our machine is always follow the servo motor, so it can save, compared to before, it can save around 30% for the power consumption. But if you compare to the normal ED small one, for sure, our machine is the heavy, big one, so our consumption is bigger. So it will depend on how many stations the machine you buy. So you can go to our website to see our specification of each type of machine. You can find out the consumption there. But we just have one idea to you. Because of the servo motor, it can save around 30% right now compared to 5 years before. Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Eric. And thank you, Mr. Rajkumar, for your questions. Anyone having any other questions? Or is there anything Eric would like to share with us more? Please, the floor is yours.
Okay, actually, we are not only to produce the EVA, we also have produced, for example, like the PVC, even for the boot machine, for the drain boots, for the TPR, for the PU, and also for the rubber compression. So all kind of the footwear machine we have. So in case the customer, if they want to produce the shoe, and they can try to send an email to us, then we can to show us what kind of the shoe they want to make, what kind of materials they want to use. Then we can recommend our machine to them. We can, because we already 40 years, so we think about in the shoe industry, we are full experienced on the sole making. So in the future, if any other customer they want to have more information, we can share our idea to them. We think if they follow our idea, they can make a very successful for the sole shoe making. This is what I want to share to you.
If there's no further questions, I would like to wrap up today's activity. Thank you so much for watching today. TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei online exhibition is live during September 28 to October 28. Please stay tuned every Wednesday and Thursday for Factory In-House Live Show. Please visit TaipeiPLAS.com.tw and ShoeTech.com.tw for more details. And if you are interested in TienKANG solutions, please make sure to visit TienKANG.com.tw for more services. Thank you, Eric, for joining us, and thank you all the audience for your watching. Please keep healthy and happy. We would like to see you soon very quickly. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.